Hello everyone, this is Eric. Got a little video here, quick rundown of some things I picked up at an estate sale this weekend, and some stuff I picked up at a garage sale a couple weeks ago. And I'll show you what I got here. Get you turned around and get. Alright, this is some stuff I picked up at a garage sale. Maybe 2-3 weeks ago. One of the first garage sales of the spring. I got a 15/16 SK combination wrench. I picked up a Bonnie 1 1 inch, I think, 1 1/8, 1 inch Bonnie, double end open. I got a Billings 7/8 combination. I got a Herbrand 9/16 5/8. Velchek 7/16 3/8. That's actually a local one. This company was in Cleveland. Once upon a time, they've been out of business for many years. I don't come across these very often, but pick that up. SK Wayne 9/16 5/8. Pens Corporation USA 15/16 combination. What's wrong, doggy? Some owner's marks there. This is a Fairmount USA 13/16. And a Action 11/16 combination. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 of them there, and they were $1 a piece. I had 9 of them there, and I had a couple screwdrivers, which I must have misplaced. I don't know what I did with them, but they were just your ordinary screwdrivers, nothing special. So I had like 11 things altogether, and it was at $1 a piece for everything, and I paid 10. Give me a little break because I had some more. So all them and 2 screwdrivers that aren't here was $10. That was the garage sale. Alright. And I had an estate sale. This was maybe I think last week before maybe. 7-inch Proto Professional adjustable wrench, pair of pliers. I picked these up because I don't see these very often. Toyota, Japan, 67. Just a pipe wrench, 8-inch. It's a Craftsman. I almost never pick up the pipe wrenches unless they're really old, because I live in the town and rigid tool is right at the end of my street. So I have a lot of rigid tools. I see them at a lot of garage sales and whatever. So I have lots of pipe wrenches that are rigid. And I just picked that up because it was Craftsman. And I think I have a few other Craftsman. And I don't think I had the small one. So hatchet, like a nail remover. I don't know if that was probably for maybe roofing or who knows, once upon a time. Farrier, is that the word for horseshoeing? I could be way off there. I'm just pulling that out of the air. Yeah, it's in real good shape. It's got a little chunk out of the handle, but that's about it. And I've got, get in there, 2 of the extra long reach vice grip clamps, and they're vice grip. I picked them up, and let's see, this was from today. Just picked up this can of battery thermal protector, full can. Grab that, and I got a whole box of, maybe a lot of y'all know what this is, but it's the Flex. It's got a brand name, Connect or something, and yeah, when you asked it to blow air or fluid or whatever you're trying to do, but it's all adjustable. It locks together. I won't take it out of there. There's a whole box of it. A bunch of fittings, the tool to take it apart and snap it together. This was in a drawer in the garage. I'm surprised that this was the last day of the sale. I'm surprised nobody had grabbed that up. So that's all I got from the sale today. I bought some spark plugs that are Atlas brand, which is the brand that Standard Oil Ohio carried. I don't have them out here. I left them in the garage. And those were, I bought 4 boxes of them. They're $5 a piece. Minus 25% today. Whatever that comes up to. $15, I guess. For them 4 boxes of the Atlas. And, she charged me $1 for this, so it was 75 cents. This, she asked me when I took it up there, she goes, "What is it?" I kind of explained it to her, and she goes, "Well, she goes, what are you thinking?" I said, "Well, it said all unmarked tools, $5. I was like, so that's kind of what I assumed. I don't know what you're thinking. Tell me. And she goes, "Yeah, that's fine, $5. So there's 4. So that's what I paid for that stuff today. So like and subscribe, please. Tell your friends and your buddies to come check out my channel. And everybody have a good week, and we will see you next time.